Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Disneyland, California. It is officially spooky season. We're going to walk around, look at the decorations today. Get in the Halloween mood. If it's your first time here, please give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment. All that fun stuff help the algorithm grow, help us grow as a channel. So let's check out Disneyland, California, Halloween.
Disneyland Limited, now arriving from a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom. Passengers will stand by to board.
Everything here is decked out for Halloween. All the characters are in costume. As I film this, it is an Oogie Boogie night over in Disney's California Adventure, so I'm sure it will get crowded here as people leave at 6 o'clock when the park closes and they come over here. Cruella de Vil.
Trying to get I didn't want to open it up. I'm like,
Great job.
you want on the side?
We should get
Yeah. You're on the right.
Yeah. Nossa, mata mesmo, estou no forno.
I tried to go see the new Walt Disney show, and of course, it's broken down. I guess I have a lot of issues with it. I'll try back later on.
How many seats?
This is holiday shop. Ready? You already have the picture. Thank you. Great. Your Majesty. You want to be Victor? I know. It's been a long time. How was it? That's fair. I'm buying it. It's super cute. Yeah. Four different and that was for my birthday, so we should
Orient yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Why don't we just get one?
Yeah, because
Park it. You're gonna go inside by yourself.
Yes, play them in the sky.
Go to that door right there.
Pretty crowded today.
We're all there.
The vibe, the day
I used to get it.
I've never actually made a tiara though. I'm sure there's no secrets outside.
So apparently there's a game right now you can play, the kids can play, where you have to find all the pumpkins. And they can win a prize, I guess. I found two. So once you get off Main Street, there's really no decorations except for the pumpkins that are hidden by Goofy. Go see how the Haunted Mansion's looking. I'm guessing pretty crowded. Hour wait, not too bad. Hi. Kenyon. And I'm not the only one that you should keep this being the Haunted Mansion as the Haunted Mansion until after Halloween and then change it to Nightmare Before, wait for it, Christmas. Why would you take a scary Halloween ride, I know it's not scary, and change it for Halloween? I don't get it. But nobody asked me. Alright, I'm going to call it. I'm going to head out. This short, disappointing, I don't know, Halloween excursion at Disneyland, California. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment, all that fun stuff. And we will see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Take care, guys.